Alright, well doggone, this thing ain't gonna fit either. Apparently the way this is designed, this little plate here is supposed to fit on there, which it does. You hear it? It connects. And then this thing is you're supposed to fit your pad on there. Well, just drop that on the ground, Josh. See, I need me a tripod. Mr. Pod could help me hold this. You put that on there, all nice and snug. And then you're supposed to use this to twist down on there. But you see the difference in the size of my hole? Now while I was at Home Depot, I actually seen an attachment that I could use to secure that on there. And I reckon I'm just going to have to go and buy that. I'm always going back to the store to buy more stuff. Golly. I might find more stuff I gotta buy while I'm there. What a horrible thing that would be. I'm just saying. Let's open this up. I want to look at this. There ain't no easy way to do this. Once you open it up, it's open. Alright. Let's see. Well, I guess I'll do that like the other one. I'll just line that up. And let it fall over, because I'm operating with one hand here. It's like a well-oiled machine, I'm telling you. I found my wire brush attachment. I hadn't thrown it away yet. I set it aside somewhere. It's not a whole lot of thread, but I guess that would work for a while. I guess I could play around with that and see what that does. I got this on here. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna give it a shot and see how it does.